Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. So first of all, what you have to do is that simply click on the battery icon that is present on the top right corner of your screen and drag down the control center. In the control center, you will see an option that says Do Not Disturb. So you simply have to click on it, then again click on it. Doing this will easily turn off your Do Not Disturb mode. But if you want to verify if it is really turned off, then what you can do is that open up your iPhone settings. On your settings, you have to scroll down until you see the option that says focus. So you have to click on it, then click on Do Not Disturb. Over here, you have to make sure that no data is being presented over here. As you can see, there is no data available on my iPhone. That means that my Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.